Okay, today's question. Today's question looks horrible on paper, but actually it's not terrible. I don't want to say much more. Give it a go, watch your answer, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so the thing that makes me feel not awful about this question is I'm remembering two things. I want the sum of the digits. So although there's 4,041 numbers, there's either A, going to be a pattern, or B, there's going to be lots of zeros. And because it's 10 to the power of something, it's the latter of those. There's going to be a lot of zeros that I basically don't add to my sum at all. Let's just write it out and expand. So 10 to the 2020 plus etc. Well, let's do that, and I get the thing you can see up here. And notably, that first term there isn't going to be anywhere near this term in terms of the number and the place value, and isn't going to be anywhere in terms of this number here. So these numbers aren't going to interact with each other, which actually means I can consider them separately. Well, the first one's easy, right? Because 10 to the power of 4,040, well, actually the only number that matters that's non-zero is indeed 1. So actually, I don't care how many zeros there are, this just sums to make 1. Similarly for the next one, 2 times 2020 isn't an awful sum, that's 4040. This part here is just moving it along the place value and just putting it away from the rest of the numbers. So I can add up 2020 times 2, which is 4040, and that's going to give me 8. So far, pretty straightforward. 2020 squared isn't the worst square in the world because, again, the numbers don't really interact with each other, so I can do that pretty quickly, and that's going to give me 4080400, as you can see on the screen. And this isn't feeling terrible, right? So let's carry on. So add these numbers up. 4 plus 8 plus 4 is 12. Add together all the numbers because I want the sum of all the digits. There's an awful lot of zeros here, which aren't making any value at all, so that's fine. So 16 and 8 and 1, that gives me 25. Is 25 up there? Yes, it is. It's answer C, and I've done today's question. Well done if you've got that. Any comments, any questions, anything below, gratefully received, and do as ever subscribe to the channel to see the next one. Thanks all.